What is up and good morning everyone. We are working on this. We're going to be pulling the cab off this truck, getting everything swapped over to that truck. We got some metal on the way. We also got a new welder, which I'll show you right now. Now I'm not a fan of red, but we got ourselves a Lincoln welder. I think we got a pretty good deal on it. So we got a Miller TIG welder and we got the Lincoln MIG welder. So basically I'm not going to go over the in-depth of this. If you want to see a really good video on this, go check out Rustbelt Mechanic. He really went over in-depth about it. But basically we have a list. All that I've taken off so far is the brake master. The brake master cylinder, just disconnected from the hydro boost that stays on the truck. I disconnected the e-brake cable, which I actually broke because it's rusty, and I took the bumper off. So we'll come over here. We got a list of pretty much everything we need to take out. I'm kind of skipping around here, but bumper and bumper bracket. So we got fender liners, intercooler pipes, radiator hoses, transcooler line, coolant reservoir hoses, steering shaft, fan shroud, wiring, grounds, hydro boost lines, the brake master, which I did, and then the heater core. So it's a pretty generic list of just the big things that I could see that need to be removed. So we are working on that. So the next thing I will take out, I think the federalizers are already out, so I will be pulling the intercooler hoses off the front clip, because basically we're going to lift this all together, front clip and all. So you do also have to take off the fuse box, which is part of the wiring, and underneath this you have to disconnect all of the connectors. So that is the next thing. I'm going to plug in the GoPro because it is dead, even though I had it plugged in all night. Alright guys, so I forgot my camera, but as you saw by the time lapse, we got the engine, trans, and everything out and swapped over to this truck. We are just working on swapping. We got the cross member in, everything is like fully mounted and installed. We got to put the torque converter bolts back in, but we're working on swapping some of the wiring and stuff over. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. And yes, I'm recording on my phone. I forgot my camera. So we're going to start pulling these harnesses out and everything. I already swapped the front harness over. But we will we'll get all these harnesses picked up, swapped over, swap over the brake lines and all that stuff. We got new ones in the bed and everything, so these are new too, as you can tell. So yeah, so we'll get this all swapped over, get some new brake lines, get the ABS module swapped over and everything, and then that truck, and hopefully have the cab on that truck today. So we need to get it off the lift. We got some work coming in, so just gonna get it off. Keep trucking away on it though. We'll probably move it out here soon. Stop pushing. Yeah. What? Stop. Oh yeah, we might need to jack it up here. Oh yeah. It might go out. It might clear up this actually. actually.
It looks even taller now. The back end is definitely taller than the front.
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing on it.
Oh, gotcha.
No fuel tank, no fucking nothing. We're gonna clear?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. If we don't, it's not my truck. Oh, stop.
Good.
Holy shit.
Oh, that would suck. Gio's just watching this happen. As we push. Should be good.
That would have been funny.
Just fucking fold the hood now.
Yeah, it's like a square body. I'm like, that's revenge.
That's kind of just rolling now.
This thing barely fits in the frame. Yeah, we'll back way up. Good old Todd's truck. Next video on YouTube will be this one, so expect to see that. We're doing some fun stuff, and we got time lapse rolling over there. This is that truck. We dropped the cab on it, and as you can see, we're pretty much wrapped up here. Yeah, it all went smooth. Right now we're working on getting a fuel tank, a bed, and a drive shaft, and we can move the air dog over and all that stuff. The wiring is almost done. We got to reconnect the coolant fittings and all that stuff, and then see if we can get this thing running. But yeah, it's looking good. We got the front all lifted up kind of where we want it. It's probably about 16 inches of lift. It's a little bit taller than my orange truck back in the day, I think, and these are 40s, so it's got a few inches. I can pretty much walk underneath the thing here, so. But other than that, it's coming along good. I think that's gonna do it for this video. We're supposed to have the welders set up soon, probably tomorrow. The plasma table soon, so we gotta move stuff. It is Monday. We're trying to get some stuff finished up before our road trip. Been a busy weekend, busy week, but stay tuned to watch what's going on with that thing. And the decal looks sick on it if you guys haven't seen it yet. So we will be doing our next video on that. But that's gonna wrap up this video for this truck for right now. We'll film another one when we get the rest of the parts. We're waiting on some stuff. I gotta weld some stuff and all that goodies. But pretty much, yeah, we're just wrapping it up, but it is all on. It's all fully bolted, at least for the cab goes. And yeah, so I am super excited to have a clean, ready cab. I'm cleaning out the bed of the truck right now so we can take this off. There's a lot of stuff in here. So once we get this all off, I'll take this off so we can pull the wiring harness for that. Hopefully it fits. This is a short bed and that's a long bed, so might have to do some extending or whatnot, but we'll see. But that's gonna do it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys later. I'm out.